know. Like a bigger house. I didn't expect anyone to get me anything.
It's probably going to take him off to open all your presents.
I know, I can't believe it. Well, like Catherine's mum bought me a biscuit tin and stuff, bless her. And they were this fancy stuff that I really liked that Kath must have found out. So I thought, what's people are crazy. But it is good like
We bought you nothing.
Nothing, I'm not doing anything.
So Bruce going to bite me. The wedding will be cancelled, that will be bad. I hope that's not some kind of testimony you're going to give to Andy.
Yeah, evidence.
Because Andy, they made me do it. Look, my hands are tied.
Who's the camera? It's my phone. Is it your phone?
Oh, brilliant! Oh, I love this stuff. It's the cheery stuff. Wow, this is brilliant. Ooh. Look at giant cups of tea. Oh, look at that. Thank you. Oh, I love you. Oh, brilliant. You're going to have to go. So that's not it, right? Okay. Wow, there's loads in here. You shouldn't have gone. I feel guilty, man.
Come out of that box.
Yeah. Like a 10-year-old in the box.
I think I might have
10-year-old with we're all right by now.
I know, sorry, if I don't unwrap it all, I'll have to.
You've got to wrap it all back up
I
again.
know. Ooh, shiny, shiny, shiny. I'm not going to put it all together like you two were up and stuff. In the seminar, I told them off for whispering. I'm going to have to keep a close eye on you in a seminar.
We're wedding on Saturday. No, you've got Saturday next to each other.
Well,
I'm saving a receipt in the church.
Yeah.
So we're going to be, we're going to have to be careful what we say when we say it, aren't we?
I'm going to ask the vicar if there's somewhere you can park, because we've got the rehearsal tomorrow night. So
Right.
I'm busy. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm dead grateful. It's brilliant. I can't. There's more boxes. This is silly. Right, so I'll keep going. Oh, look at this.
They are nice actually, aren't they?
Yeah, they're cheery.
Yeah.
I saw them and I really liked them. I thought, oh, and there's Auntie's got stinky, horrible things that like lasted through the war. This is much better, I think.
He's going to watch this video.
I do. Which one I like because they and all these are beautiful. In a different way, I appreciate the brilliance of your thing, Gavin. Uh-oh. Oh, look at these. They're brilliant. Are these for pasta? I was going to think of the big cereal. Can't get me crunching up cornflakes in there.
Trust me, whatever they're designed for, they never get used for that.
That's true, yeah. I see what you're saying there. You'll put,
You can't see a big cereal one morning, you will have
cereal. Yeah.
all the cereal bowls won't wash in, then you'll end up with pasta bowls.
Sorry, I just got a bit of time. I'm trying to speed up. Oh, I like these. I love red. These are brilliant. Oh, look, there's a whole range of